Hi everyone, this is Venkat Narayana. Today I am going to analyze ITC Limited Quarter 3 Financial 21 results. We are going to discuss consolidated year-on-year and quarter-on-quarter results. This is not the recommendation. We are going to discuss for education purpose only. ITC Limited business is not related to seasons, so we will give importance for year-on-year and quarter-on-quarter. Here amount in crores. First we will discuss year-on-year, later quarter-on-quarter. Year-on-year means comparing December 2020 results with December 2019 results. Quarter-on-quarter means comparing December 20 results with September 20 results. First one is revenue from operations. Previous year they got 13,307 crores. This year 14,124 crores. We'll check it in percentage. Revenue was increased 6.1% year on year. This is positive sign. Later other income. Previous year 652 crores. This year 545 crores. Here other income was decreased. Later expenses. Cost of material consumed. Previous year 3,827 crores. This year 3,532 crores. Here 300 crores cost of material consumed decreased. Later purchase of stock in trade. Previous year 728 crores. This year 1582 crores. Here purchase of stock in trade double. Later changes in inventories. Previous year 130 crores. Here 122 crores. We'll ignore it. Later excise duty. Previous year 404 crores. This year 1044 crores. Here excise duty was increased from 400 crores to 1044 crores. Later employee benefit expenses. It was increased from 1085 crores to 1143 crores. Later finance cost. Here previous year 11 crores. This year 12 crores. Here 1 crore was increased, but they are paying very less interest. That means they have zero debt. That is positive sign. Later depreciation. Previous year 436 crores. This year 413 crores. We'll ignore it. Other expenses. Previous year 2153 crores. This year 1914 crores. We'll ignore it. What we observed from revenue from operations and expenses. Revenue from operations increased from 13,307 crores to 14,124 crores, and other income was decreased 100 crores. Cost of material consumed decreased from 3,827 crores to 3,532 crores. Purchase of stock in trade increased from 728 crores to 1,582 crores. Excise duty it was increased from 404 crores to 1,044 crores. And finance cost increased 1 crore, but they have very less interest cost. That means they have zero debt. Later profit before tax. Previous year 5,049 crores. This year 4,904 crores. Here profit before tax was decreased. We'll check it in percentage. The 2.8% year on year decreased. This is negative sign. Later tax expense. Previous year they paid 1183 crores. This year 255 crores. Later profit for the period. Previous year 4,047 crores. This year 3,587 crores. Here approximately 540 crores was decreased. We'll check it in percentage. 11.3% year on year decreased. This is negative sign. Later paid up equity share capital. Previous year 229 crores. This year 230 crores. Here little bit increase. We'll ignore it. Later earning per share basic. Previous year 3 rupees 24 paise. This year 2 rupees 87 paise. Here earning per share was decreased a little bit. This is negative point. Now we'll check quarter on quarter. Revenue from operations. Previous quarter 13,147 crores. This quarter 14,124 crores. We'll check it in percentage. 7.4% is quarter on quarter increase. This is positive sign. Later profit before tax. Previous quarter 4,565 crores. This quarter 4,904 crores. We'll check it in percentage. 7.4% quarter on quarter increase. This is positive sign. Later profit for the period. Previous quarter 3,418 crores. This quarter 3,587 crores. Here profit for the period increase. We'll check it in percentage. 4.9% quarter on quarter increased. This is positive sign. What we observed based on year and quarter results. First is revenue. 6.1 percentage year-on-year increase, 7.4 percentage quarter-on-quarter increase. This is positive sign. Later, profit before tax 2.8 percentage year-on-year decreased. This is negative sign. Quarter-on-quarter 7.4 percentage increased. Later, profit after tax 11.3 percentage year-on-year decreased, 4.9 percentage quarter-on-quarter increased. What we observed based on these results is year on year ITC Limited results are not good, quarter on quarter results are average. Later, profit margin in quarter 3 21, profit margin is 25.3. In September quarter, profit margin is 26. Here both are equal. Here we have one important point. The board of directors of the company has declared an interim dividend of 5 rupees ordinary share of 1 each. The record date fixed for the purpose of determining entitlement of the members of the interim dividend is Tuesday, 23rd February 2021, and such dividend will be paid on Wednesday, 10th March 2021 to those members entitled. Now we'll check segment-wise results. So here FMCG, cigarettes, others, total FMCG. Previous year 9,265 crores, this year 9,843 crores. Here approximately 600 crores was increased. Later hotels, it was decreased from 574 crores to 248 crores. This is negative sign. Agribusiness, it was increased from 2,258 crores to 2,694 crores. Here approximately 400 crores increased. Later paper boards, paper packaging, it was decreased from 1555 crores to 1477 crores. Here this one is increased, this one decrease, and this one increase, and this one decrease. Here FMCG and agribusiness was increased, hotels and paperboards was decreased. Here segment results, total FMCG, it was decreased from 4,115 crores to 3,901 crores. Here decrease, this is negative sign. Later hotels in loss, previous year 88 crores profits, this year 72 crores loss. This is negative sign. Agribusiness, it was increased from 251 crores to 284 crores. This is positive. Later paperboards, paper, it was decreased from 333 crores to 285 crores. This is negative sign. So what we observed based on these results is total FMCG profits are decreased, hotels is in loss, paperboards, paper and packaging is decreased. Now we'll see valuation of ITC Limited. PE before results is 20.2, PE after results is 20.9. Here PE reduced only 0.7 points. So both are same. Pros are medium quarter on quarter results, zero debt, undervalued based on 3 years median PE. 3 years median PE is 25 and current PE is 20.9. Comparing with 3 years median PE, currently IT is undervalued, but ITC year on year results are not good. In 3 months, ITC Limited price was increased from 180 rupees to 233 rupees. ITC declared 15 rupees 15 paise as dividend in financial 21. This is positive point. Conclusion is ITC Limited is neutral valued based on current price. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.